Just got a brand new iPhone, but dreading the thought of losing all your WhatsApp chats, photos, and history from your old Android? Don't worry, you don't have to start from scratch. In this video, we're showing you how to easily transfer your entire WhatsApp history from Android to iPhone using Wondershare Dr.Fone. Dr.Fone is designed as a complete one-stop mobile solution. Instead of dealing with complicated manual backups or cloud workarounds that often fail halfway through, Dr.Fone features a dedicated WhatsApp transfer tool. It supports both personal and WhatsApp business, allowing you to move your chats, attachments, and media directly from one device to another, even across different operating systems. Beyond transfers, the software also offers tools for data recovery, system repair, and screen unlocking. Now, to be completely transparent, we don't have a large pool of independent user reviews configured in our source today to give you a community consensus. However, looking strictly at the official features, the biggest pro is sheer convenience. It guides you step by step. You simply connect both of your phones to your computer, select the WhatsApp transfer option, and let the software handle the migration. It saves you the headache of compatibility issues between Google Drive and iCloud backups. On the flip side, because it is a robust desktop toolkit, you will need a computer to run the software and complete the transfer process. If you are looking for a straightforward, visual way to keep your chat history intact during your phone upgrade, Dr.Fone offers a highly structured and user-friendly path to get it done. Head over to drfone.wondershare.com to download the toolkit and try it out for yourself. If this tutorial helped you save your chats, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions.